Hey friends, it's time to answer some questions about The Cow Loves Cookies. All right, so thinking, who are most of the characters in the story? Are most of them birds? I don't think there were any birds in the story. Farm animals or children? Okay, I didn't notice any children. There was the farmer, he was the only person. Well, maybe the child given cookies, but most of the characters were farm animals. So most characters are farm animals. All right, now where is the setting? Is the setting in a jungle? No vines and no monkeys and lions. Was the setting a farm? Yes. Was the setting a forest? No, there were no bears. The setting is the farm. All right. What does Cal love? Does Cal love a sandwich? No, we did not talk about a sandwich. Does Cal love milk? He's okay with milk. He gives milk. What does Cal love? Cal loves cookies. Cow and Cookie Monster could be good friends, couldn't they? Do you guys love cookies? Raise your hand if you like cookies. Yeah, cookies are delicious. All right. Who feeds the animals? Does the farmer feed the animals? Yes, he does. What about a police officer? No, there was no police officer in our story. What about a zookeeper? No, because we're not at the zoo. We're at the farm. The farmer feeds the animals. Great job, friends. All right, now who does farmer feed first? Does he feed the cow first? No, I think cow was last, actually. Does he feed the horse first? Yeah, I think he does. Or does he feed the dog? He does feed the dog, but not first. Do you remember what he gives the dog? Yeah, doggy treats. So farmer feeds horse first. Yeah, horse was the first one. All right, now did the dog eat cookies? No, the dog did not eat cookies. The dog, do you remember? Doggy treats. Yeah, the dog ate doggy treats. All right, what did the horse eat? Did he eat corn? No, I think that's what the geese ate. Did he eat hay? That's right, the horse ate hay. Yeah, who ate cookies? The cow, because the cow loves cookies. All right. Do all the farmers eat the same food? Or do all the farm animals eat the same food? No, the horse eats hay. The geese eat corn. The dog eats doggy treats. The pigs eat slop. They all eat something different. All right. Where does farmer put the slop? Does he put it in a trough, on a plate, or in the barn? You know what? They eat it from a trough. And that's kind of like a big, huge bowl. Yeah. That's what the pigs eat out of. And they can all eat out of the same one. We don't all eat off of the same plate, do we? No, absolutely not. Do you guys hear those birds? Listen. I hear a lot of birds right now, or maybe just one bird being really loud. Maybe the bird likes our story. All right, now who eats the slop? Is it the cow, the hogs, which are like big pigs, or the chickens? Yeah, the hogs. And slop, from what I understand, is lots of leftover everything all put together in one bowl. So stuff you might not eat on a farm, the farmer would just put it all together and feed it to the pigs. All right, now, when does the farmer feed the geese? In the morning, in the afternoon, or at night? I think he's feeding all the animals in the morning because they all eat before lunchtime. Because at lunch, farmer and cow sit down to eat, and that's when farmer milks cow and they eat cookies together. Now, how does the farmer feel at the end of the story? Do you think he's surprised, happy, or sad? It says the farmer and cow enjoy their time together, so that means he's happy. Now, he might be a little tired because he's been working all day, but he's happy. Why was the farmer happy? Well, because he had milk and cookies. And because he and cow enjoyed their time together. All right, now who barks? Does the cat bark? No. Does the dog bark? Yes. Does a bear bark? No. The dog barks. All right, which animal scratches and pecks? Does a cat scratch and peck? No. What about a chicken? Yeah. What about a horse? No. The horse gallops, the horse stomps, but the chicken scratches and pecks and eat their chicken feed, right? Ooh, what rhymes with day? Okay, so a rhyming word has a different beginning but the same ending. So it would be something that sounds like day. May, bay, kay, fray, say, lay. Let's see what over here rhymes with day. Day, bray, lay, corn? No. Day, lay, bray, hay? Yeah, that has the same ending sound. Day, lay, may, cookies? No. It's hay. Hay rhymes with day. They have the same ending sound. What do cows really eat? Do cows really eat cookies? No. Do cows eat corn? Maybe, but cows usually eat grass. Yeah, cows eat grass. All right, what do farms give us? Can you get eggs on a farm? Yeah, you can. Farms give us eggs. What about pizza? Not really. You can get a lot of the vegetables that you can put on pizza at the farm, and you could get the grain to make the pizza crust on the farm. But if you want to get pizza, you get it from a grocery store or the restaurant, or you can make it yourself. All right, what about milk? Yes, farms give milk. Yeah, because the cow. Do farms give vegetables? Yes, farms give vegetables. And you can put those vegetables on a pizza, but farms don't just give pizza. Do farms give Coke? No. No, that comes from a factory where they put all the ingredients together. All right. What are some other animals and what did they eat? Let's see. You know, I hear that elephants like to eat peanuts. What about, what about rabbits? Rabbits like to eat carrots. All right, let's see. Oh, here's a good one. Birds, like we just heard in my yard a minute ago, birds like to eat worms. Yeah, and you know what worms like to eat? We're going to be learning all about this. They like to eat, you know, because we're talking about composting. So they'll eat banana peels and they'll eat apple peels. They don't eat styrofoam and they don't eat plastic. So we'll be learning more about worms and composting. They eat leaves and let's see. Oh, here's a good one. Squirrels like to eat nuts. Yeah, squirrels eat nuts. And here's another good one. Monkeys like to eat bananas. I've got one more. Maybe more than one, but one for sure. Frogs like to eat flies. Let's see, we've talked about elephants and frogs and oh, here's one. This is our last one. Giraffes like to eat leaves. Yeah. All right. You guys did fantastic with that. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you soon, friends. Bye-bye.